Hey fellow riders, today I show you how to put a Monokey Adapter kit on an SW-Motech Adventure Rack, starting right now on MotoTravelUSA. Alright, so I just wanted to show you how to install the Monokey Adapter kit. So make sure that you have all the pieces from the kit. Some thread locker, medium, and an H4 hex bit. So separate all the items and match all the items up to the parts list that they give you, just to make sure you have everything you should. This kit does, so I'm going to continue. So I'm going to start with the nub on the end. That's going to go this way, and make sure the hole is facing that way. This is the rear of the plate. This is the front. So make sure that this divot is facing forward. Take the two smaller screws and dab just a little bit of thread locker. Both of them. Just a little dab will do. I'm going to use a regular wrench at first, and then I'm going to use a torque wrench to get these to 4.5 Newton meters. Then grab these two spools and two longer screws and look for the flat side of the spools. Put the flat side up against these two holes right here on the back. This is what we just put on. We're going to put the flat side of the spools in these two right there. Put a little thread lock on the screw, and then screw down from the top. Put a little thread lock on the bottom of the screw, and then screw it down from the top. Loosely tighten with a normal wrench at first, just to get it started, and then use a torque wrench to get to 9 Newton meters. The next step is to put these rubber dampers on in this hole, this hole, this hole, and this hole. However, I'm not going to use those. I have special ones for my top case, but use these for yours. My top case needs a little higher, so I'm going to use these. And these just go in by pressing hard downward, and then they grip on. And that's it, super simple. It's all ready to be installed on the bike. Should take no less than 5 minutes with the right tools. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe, because I'll have a ton more videos like this and motorcycle traveling and a ton of other things that have to do with motorcycling. Appreciate you watching. Now let's go explore.